So hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Android 13 ROM on Realme 6785 devices. That includes Realme 6, Realme 6i G90 variant, Narzo 20 Pro, Narzo 30 4G and Realme 7. So I am using Realme 6 and I'm going to show you how to install Leaf OS, which is Android 13 based. So I will show you how to install the Leaf OS, which is Android 13 based, into the Realme 6. And let me show you that I am on B65, which is Realme UI 1.0. So you can see currently I am in B65. So the first thing you have to do is go to the fingerprint face unlock, go to lock screen password, enter the lock screen and turn off the password. Now download the ROM file, which will be given in the description. There is separate file for Realme 6, I mean Realme G90 devices, and for G95 devices there is separate file. So make sure to flash the correct one. Now after removing the screen lock, make sure that you have a custom recovery installed. I forgot to mention the requirement. First one is unlock bootloader, second one is to have a custom recovery, and you are good to go. So I have both of them, and now I will just reboot into recovery. But before that, let me show you that I have copied the file into a secondary storage. So I have SD card here and I have copied the Leaf OS ROM into the SD card. So after taking backup of all your data, just reboot into recovery. So in Realme UI 1.0 or 1.0 based custom ROMs, you can directly reboot into recovery by volume buttons. Let's do that. I will just do restart and I will just hold the volume down button, and this feature does not work in Realme UI 2.0, so that is a drawback of Realme UI 2.0. So let's see if the files are showing. Yeah, they are showing here. You can see the Leaf OS ROM is showing here. So the file requirements are first the ROM file, and second the Realme UI 2.0 based custom recovery. So let's see, the Realme UI 2.0 based recovery is showing in here. So you can see TWRP 3.6 is showing here, which is the custom recovery for Realme UI 2.0 based ROM for Realme 6 or 6i G9. And an important point to be noted is the ROM you are flashing should include Realme UI 2.0 based firmware, otherwise it cannot be flashed from Realme UI 1.0. And if you are using Realme UI 2.0 already, like C18 or C12 etc., then you can directly flash the Leaf OS Android 13 because it's already Realme UI 2.0 based. So at first go to reset, or you can directly go to advanced and select Dalvik cache data magic modules, and you can swipe to wipe. So I will do that. Now after wiping, go to here and just flash the ROM, which is here in the SD card. I will just click on that and don't tick or untick anything, just simply flash it, and the ROM is being flashed. That means this ROM includes Realme UI 2.0 based firmware, and most of the Realme UI 2.0 based Android 13 or Android 12 ROMs comes with Realme UI 2.0 based firmware, so you are free to flash them directly from Realme UI 1.0. So let's wait for the flash. So after flashing the ROM, I got some error. Let's ignore that for now. Now after flashing the ROM, go back and flash the Realme UI 2.0 based custom recovery. In my case, I am using the 3.6. I will tick on recovery and I will just flash it. Now it is saying to press volume up for finish and press volume down to reboot into recovery. You have to just reboot into recovery. So I have flashed the Realme UI 2.0 based recovery, so it will reboot into that recovery. So just reboot into recovery. So it actually worked, and now what to do? Simply go to wipe, and just like flashing any other F2FS ROM, just go to advanced wipe, select data, repair or change file system, click F2FS and swipe. So data is changed to F2FS. Now let's change the cache to F2FS. So this is how we do format data in F2FS based ROMs or F2FS supported ROMs. So after doing this, just reboot to system. So I will swipe. So you can see the ROM booted successfully, there was no issue. So I will now simply set up this ROM. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you in the next video, and the next video will probably be the review of this LeafOS, so stay tuned for that. Bye bye.